Hi everyone, we're going to compare and order real numbers. The first thing, if you're given a square root, go to your calculator on your phone or on Google, and maybe it's square root of 12. Okay, so that would be what we would do on the square root. Okay, so we did square root of 12, and we got 3.46. Ooh, that was off. Oh, that one. There we go. If you have a number on the outside of your square root, so like 2 square root of 12, when you go type it in the calculator, this Google will do it nicely for you. Your phone calculator can, but you'll do 2 square root of 12. I would encourage you to use this one on Google. It makes it easier to type in than on a phone calculator. But you would get 6.92. You're going to type it in just kind of like what it looks like. And we said 6.92. What it does is it does the square root and then it multiplies by 2. You might see one like that today on your work. The line above the number, meaning if I had 6.3 with a line above it, means it's just going to be a repeating decimal. So really and truly, it's like 6.3333333. It keeps going on and on and on and on and on. Okay, that's what that little line means. If you're given a mixed number like 4 2/3, remember you're just going to find the decimal of this part, the fraction part, and then you'll come and bring it back. So 2/3 is 0.66666. So then I would put 4.6, or you put 66666, or 4 with a line over it. Okay. But remember, you're just going to divide this. So I would go over here and I would say 2 divided by 3. That's how I got my 0.666. Okay. Now, if we look here, you're going to have ones where you're going to compare the two. So it would be good to make them to decimals. One of them might already be a decimal, so you don't have to do anything. The square root of 400, you're going to be using your calculator a bunch, so make sure you always have that open. 14.14. So I'm going to compare. Well, 14.14 is definitely, was that the square root of 400? See, I'm working too fast. That was not the square root of 400. That was the square root of 200. 20 equals 20. So I would put an equal sign because we have a greater than, we have a less than, or we have equal to. Okay, this one is your greater than, your less than, or your equal to. 6.38 and 6.3, they're already decimal, so you're just simply comparing them. So 6.38 is greater than. And the square root of 144 is actually 12, so we have another equal to. The next thing you're going to be asked to do is to order them from least to greatest. So you would change square root of 15, and I would go to my calculator and I would take square root of 15 and get 3.87. So let me write that down. And I'm going to order them from least to greatest. That was this guy right here. So I don't have to do anything to the 3. I'm just going to simply figure out what 3/5 is. And by going to my calculator, I know that it is 3.6. And then 3.777777 because of that repeating line. So if I were to put them in order from least to greatest, I would have 3 first. And then 3/5, 3 3/5. Sorry, don't forget that whole number. And then 3.7, repeating. Don't forget the line on top. And then the square root of 15 because it's 3.8. All right, this is what you're going to be doing today. You have a Google form to do, and then your quiz on Schoology to do. Use this video, use this document to help you out, to help you remember and how to solve. I hope you all are doing good. Bye.